Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to check out some more DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have someone doing the infamous tile trend. I think she's making like a side table with this design. I've seen it several different ways before. I love this aesthetic. Very cool. Looks so professional. Love the way she decorated it as well. And then we have someone doing the Ikea lamp trend. So she has a clear bowl here. Well, typically the pieces that you buy from Ikea are clear, so you can play around with them however you choose. I really like the color scheme that she uses for this because she goes with like this really pretty lavender. And for some reason right now I'm really into like lavender. Like lately I've been like painting my nails lavender, wanting to dress in lavender shades. It's just such a pretty color. So she does kind of like a splattering effect for the top portion. Oh, you can get that little cat thing at Ikea too. Oh, that's cute. So fun. Great DIY that doesn't even utilize electricity. Very nice. All right, so we have some more of that fancy stone. So she made a table with that. Very cool. That's typically how we see that particular material being used. Oh, okay, so they're making like a candle bowl for this next one. Easy DIY project. Very simplistic. And it looks like another table design here. Oh wow, coffee table. She did a remarkable job on that one. Okay, she's tearing apart the top. She's just trying to get that paper material off of there. Oh wow, look at these gold leaves. Well, she's showing us several different projects here. I really like that gold leaf though. I'm like so caught up in that one. Oh wow, she's really talented. She's got some really nice projects here. Another leaf DIY. More wooden beads. Well, that's pretty. Cardboard. Oh, the paper palm leaves, very popular design. And then we move on to the next one. So this one is going to be of a mirror DIY. Looks like she's going to be using clay and doing like the floral trend on a small photo frame here. So it's not going to be that big of a mirror. When she was like showing us like the bigger ones, I was like thinking that she was going to have like a big design. Oh, I like the colors. So bright and fun. This would actually be like a cute little gift for like my nieces or something. Very cool. Yeah, that's a cool project. Pretty beginner friendly too. Like something you can do like the morning of going to a party or something and then gifting it. Okay, so this next DIY I thought was absolutely adorable. So they made this playhouse out of cardboard. This is just crazy. And you can tell that the little toddler just loves her playhouse. Look at this thing. I wonder how long this took. And if you guys like have been following my channel, you know that I actually have a toddler too. I have a boy, so, but he would probably really love that playhouse. I think it's so cool. So then we have a DIY featuring this side table, I guess. So they have a table tray here and they're gonna use like this bamboo placemat as the base. And this is actually a pretty easy project to do. Out of all the table DIYs we've seen, that's definitely one of the easier ones. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.